Okay, today our lesson is freedom. So everybody talks about freedom. But Rabindranath Tagore in this poem has given a beautiful description of freedom. Are you all settled? Yeah. All of you look at the textbook. The page number is 119. Freedom. So today our lesson is Freedom by Rabindranath Tagore. And Rabindranath Tagore is very famous for that, where the mind is without fear and the head is held high. This is also a very beautiful poem, a wonderful poem about freedom. So the name of the poem is Freedom. And let us look at this poem by Rabindranath Tagore. What does he mean? What does he say about freedom? What does he feel about freedom? Okay. So freedom, take out page number 119. Are you all with the textbook?
Yes.
Freedom. Freedom from fear is the freedom. The first sentence itself is very clear. Freedom from fear is the freedom. I claim for you my motherland. Freedom from fear. So he talks about freedom from fear. If you are free of fear, you are free, he says. Freedom from fear. So the word from is used, the preposition from is used when we use freedom. Okay? Freedom from fear is the freedom. I claim for you my motherland. Freedom from the burden of the ages, bending your head. Freedom from the burden of the ages, bending your head. So there is a burden of the ages. For ages, man has been bending his head. That's what he is saying. We are used to it. We are used to it. We don't even know what is freedom. So the burden of the ages. You understand what I'm saying? The burden. Why is it a burden? Why is the ages? Ages means history. Why is history a burden? Because for ages, people have been bowing their head, bending their head. Freedom from fear is the freedom. I claim for you my motherland. Freedom from the burden of the ages, bending your head. Clear? Breaking your back. This is a very beautiful expression. Breaking your back means carrying heavy loads, it breaks your back. So it's not that your back is actually broken, but it's an expression in English. Breaking your back. Blinding your eyes to the beckoning call of the future. Blinding your eyes. Your eyes have become blind. To what? To the beckoning call. Beckon. He's beckoning me. He's calling me. Beckoning call. The future is calling. Come. Let's grow. Let's expand. Let's reach the pinnacle. The future is calling. But we have become blind. Got it? So look at this sentence again. See, I'm not trying to come between you and Rabindranath Tagore. You should feel the poem yourself. Breaking your back, blinding your eyes to the beckoning call of the future. Freedom from the shackles of slumber wherewith you fasten yourself in night's stillness. Freedom from the shackles. So Rabindranath Tagore says shackles. He has used the word shackles. Shackles means chains. Shackles means chains. You're all in chains. Freedom from the shackles means freedom from fear is not having fear. Freedom from shackles means not having chains. Freedom from the shackles of slumber. Slumber means sleep. Freedom from the shackles of slumber. What is the meaning of shackles of slumber? Chains of slumber means, how can sleep be chain? How can slumber be chain, a kind of chain? Because, can sleep be chain? Sleep is freedom maybe. Is sleep freedom or sleep is chains?
Freedom.
Is it freedom here? Shackles of slumber wherewith? Freedom from the shackles of slumber. So sleep means what? Non-life. So it's like a chain, no? But right? Sleep means you're not living, you're not alive. Got it? Freedom from the shackles of slumber wherewith you fasten yourself in night stillness. You fasten yourself. Fazen means shut tight. Fazen the door. So who is fazening whom? You are fazening yourself. Means what? Are you getting me? Fazen means bolting the door or something. Okay, fazening. Locking. Locking yourself means, how are you locking yourself? In night's stillness. Night. It is night, dark. In that stillness, this is an imagery. He is comparing the blindness with darkness. In that night, all are doing what? All are doing what in the night? Sleeping, right? Got it? See, I'll read the sentence again, it will become completely clear. Freedom from the shackles of slumber, wherewith you fasten yourself. You lock yourself in night's stillness. So you're not active. This boy is active. So if it was night, we wouldn't be active. So he is comparing our blindness with the night. Is it clear? Is it clear? As I read from the start, freedom from fear is the freedom. I claim for you my motherland. My motherland. Freedom from the burden of the ages. Bending your head, breaking your back, blinding your eyes to the beckoning call of the future. Freedom from the shackles of slumber, wherewith you fasten yourself in night's stillness. Clear? Now it's clear? Yes or no? You have to say something.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you're shaking your head. Say yes, it will be more clear to you. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes. Mistrusting the star. Look at the lovely next sentence. Mistrusting the star. Trusting? Mistrusting. That speaks of truths, adventurous paths. See, mistrusting. Trusting? Mistrusting. So, mistrusting is obviously the opposite of trusting. Mistrusting the star that speaks of, what does the star say? Truth's adventurous paths. You don't trust it. Got it? Mistrusting the star that speaks of what? Truth's adventurous path. When you want the truth, you want the truth. You don't want blindness. Suppose a man doesn't want blindness, then how will he be? How will he be? He will want the truth. He will go and take risks. Adventurous. Got it? If you want the truth, can you be safe in your home? You can't be. You have to go all out and seek out the truth. To seek out the truth, it will be an adventure or not?
Yes, sir.
It will be nice if it's like India sounds. Okay. Freedom from the anarchy of destiny. Freedom from the anarchy of destiny. So in Telugu we say like our destiny. You can't. In Telugu they say talarata. Talarata means I can't change it. Right? So anarchy of destiny. Anarchy. Anarchy means chaos. Everything has gone crazy. Nothing is proper. No order. Nothing. So he says, freedom from the anarchy of destiny. Destiny is what? So what will surely happen? You don't want it to happen. You should change it. Got it? If you do nothing, what will happen? You'll go straight towards that anarchy. What is anarchy? Anarchy. All chaos. 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 Nothing is order. No order. Everybody killing, fighting. There are some periods of history where it happens. Right? You have a very peaceful period and then comes anarchy. Anarchy means everybody is fighting. There is no order, no sense, no reason. Got it? So what is that I was saying? Freedom from, and that means this should not be there. The anarchy of destiny should not be there. You should be free of that also. You should be free of your destiny. Got it? Because if you don't do anything, the destiny is sure to come. And what is sure to come? Anarchy. Got it? Whole freedom from the anarchy of destiny. Whole sails are weakly yielded to the blind, uncertain winds. Sails. See, in these ships you have these sails. They guide the winds. When whole sails are weakly yielded. Yielded is given. Okay, I said get up and you yield. Yield means you agree, you give in, you surrender. Yielded means what? Surrender. So what does he say here? Whole sails These sails, have you seen the ships, the sails? Whole sails are weakly yielded to the blind, uncertain winds. So when will this anarchy come? When the sails, what is controller, gives in to the winds. Any wind comes, we go there. In World War II, what happened? Hitler said something, everybody followed. People follow. It's a wind, you know. So you give in to the wind, the sails. Winds of what? Which wind? Not this wind. Which wind is he talking about? Which influences. Here the wind is influences. What influences? People. Okay, large people. And the helm is a control. You give the control to a hand ever rigid and cold as death. The hand is given to the controller. Who is the controller? It is given. We have given it. Again, Hitler is a good example. We have given the control to whom? To a hand rigid like this and cold as death. No feeling. Cold means, what is the meaning of cold? One is the ice is cold, but here means warm. The opposite of warm. Warm means nice feeling, but cold is without any feeling. Okay, he's very cold person means he has no feeling. Okay, so you are given the control, the helm, H-E-L-M. Helm means that which controls the ship. That you are given to whom? Yeah, to someone who is rigid and who is cold. Okay, freedom from the insult of dwelling in a puppet's world. Puppet's world. You know, if everybody, freedom from the insult. Isn't it an insult? People tell you and you do it. They dangle you. They control you. And all have become puppets. You know, freedom from the insult of dwelling in a puppet's world. How beautifully he has said this here. Freedom from the insult of dwelling. Dwelling means living. Dwelling means living. Living in a puppet's world. Don't you feel it's like that? The whole world. Just people tell something and we all follow. Isn't it a puppet kind of world? He says this is an insult. Be free from this. So you have to become free from all these things he is saying. Are you getting me? Where movements are started through brainless wires. Where movements are started through brainless wires. That means you don't know what you are doing. Okay, repeated through mindless habits. Repeated through mindless habits. You are just habituated. People are telling you to do, you are doing it, and you're becoming a, what's the best word here? Robots. Right? Brainless wires and mindless habits. Where figures wait with patience and obedience for the master of show. Where figures, which means people, wait with patience. Everybody is patiently waiting. For whom? For one leader. One master. And what is his main purpose? Show. What will he do? He won't take you into a peaceful world. He won't take you into anything. He will only show. Okay? To be stirred into a mimicry of life. And a master will come to be stirred. That means he is needed. Stirred means moving. Stirring the, you put some sugar and, lemon water, you stir it. So, all the people are waiting. For what? For the master to come. Okay? For the master of show. And for what? Waiting for what? To be stirred into a mimicry of life. He'll say, you do this, they will do it. Is it life or it's a mimicry of life? It's a mimicry of life. It's a very, very negative point. But he says from all these negatives, we must become free. Got it? How beautifully he has communicated. Now I'll read out, I've explained it. But poems have to be just explained or felt. Tell me. Poems have to be explained or felt? Felt completely. So now I will give you the rhythm of the poem because now I will not stop. I will read the poem slowly and you must just feel it. If you feel the poem, the lesson is over. Then you can write any question and answer. That's not a big deal. You must feel it. Every word, every line. Got it? Only then you enjoy the poem. You can't miss a single word. Okay? So have you got the meanings of the word? Anarchy. You know the meaning of anarchy?
Fighting.
Yeah, it's all fighting, chaos. Nothing is in order. Beckoning. He is beckoning me. What's the meaning of beckoning? Calling. So we don't have to really memorize meanings. If you feel a poem, the word will become ours. New word also will become ours. You understand? And what is slumber? Excellent. Slumber is sleep. Adventurous, adventurous, And yielded.
Pride.
Given. Agree. Given. Okay. If I tell you to get up, you yield. If I say, hey, you don't do that, you yield. You want to do it. But if I say don't do it, you yield. You give in. Then what is helm? H-E-L-M. The control. The control of the ship. Okay. Rigid. Cold. Cold means what? Here cold means what?
Opposite of hot.
Opposite of warm.
Oh, yeah.
Not hot, but warm. Warm is feeling. Cold means no feeling. Okay. Brainless voice. Mimicry. Master of show. Stirred. What is stirred here?
Mood.
Excellent. Now I read the poem and let's feel it. Because Rabindranath Tagore was a very, very great poet because it came straight from his heart. Not one, not two, hundreds of poems. He even introduced a new system of music. He was one of the greatest writers in India. And he got a Nobel Prize also. This very famous prize, Nobel Prize, for Gitanjali. Freedom from fear is a freedom. I claim for you my motherland. Freedom from the burden of the ages, bending your head, breaking your back, blinding your eyes to the beckoning call of the future. Freedom from the shackles of slumber wherewith you fasten yourself in night's stillness. Mistrusting the star that speaks of truth's adventurous paths. Freedom from the anarchy of destiny. Whole sails are weakly yielded to the blind, uncertain winds. Uncertain, not clear. And the helm to a hand ever rigid and cold as death. Freedom from the insult of dwelling in a puppet's world. Freedom from the insult of dwelling in a puppet's world. Where movements are started through brainless wires, repeated through mindless habits. All this you should be free from, he says. Where figures wait with patience. Everybody is waiting. For what? And obedience for the master of show to be stirred into a mimicry of life. Got it? Now got the whole poem. So he's talking about, Rabindranath Tagore is talking about what? All the things that we see around. Isn't it directly a reflection? Okay, we see people just following, we see people just not seeing the future, the beckoning call of the future they don't see. So what comes? That future doesn't come. Which future comes? Another future comes. Okay, do you think that people have no fear? Everybody has fear. People are living in fear. If you're free of fear, if you take the control, not give it to some rigid hand, cold hand, but give it to a passionate hand, you become the controller of your destiny. Then a different freedom will come. That is freedom. Okay, so if you don't do all these things, then that what will be there will be true. Is it clear? So what are the things that Rabindranath Tagore says we should not do? We should not have what?
Yeah.
Yes, what else? Bending your head. Right? We should not bend our head. What else? We should not wait with patience for the master of show to come and tell us what we should do. You must not give the control. Right? To someone whom? To what kind of people we should not give the control? To people who are rigid, not flexible. Rigidness, they don't listen. They have that madness of belief. Right? And they do what? Do they have full feeling? They don't have any feeling. Got the idea? So that is the poem. Did you enjoy the poem? Let's read it once again. Freedom from fear is a freedom. I claim for you my motherland. Freedom from the burden of the ages, bending your head, breaking your back, blinding your eyes to the beckoning call of the future. Freedom from the shackles of slumber wherewith you fasten yourself in night stillness. Mistrusting the star, you're not trusting. Mistrusting the star that speaks of truth's adventurous paths. Freedom from the anarchy of destiny. Whole sails are weakly yielded to the blind, uncertain winds, and the helm to a hand, ever rigid and cold as death. Freedom from the insult of dwelling in a puppet's world, where movements are started through brainless wires, repeated through mindless habits, where figures wait with patience and obedience for the master of show to be stirred into a mimicry of life. So that is Rabindranath Tagore. Rabindranath Tagore was born in 1861. He passed away in 1941. Okay? And he was the best well-known Indian writers. Okay. Who wrote both in? Yeah, he wrote both in English and Bangla. Okay, that's it now. That's for today. Did you enjoy the poem? So now you don't have to memorize the poem. You don't have to memorize the words, right? You can just enjoy the poem completely. Okay? And you can answer any questions you want. Thank you so much, and thank you for listening to the poem.
అది క్లోజ్ చేయమన్నారు అంతే ఎక్కువ వెళ్ళారు కదా అది లెసన్స్ ఇచ్చాను అదేనా మీరు సార్ తీస్తారు అవి ఇవి క్లోజ్ చేద్దామా
ఎలా ఉన్నా సార్ అంతరా
అవి లాక్ చేసేయండి లాట్ వచ్చి తీసుకుంటారు ఇది క్లోజ్ చేస్తే క్లోజ్ అయిపోయినట్టు చెప్పలేదు కదా
అదే 10 MB టెన్ మెగాపిక్సెల్స్ అయ్యా ముందు 100 మెగాపిక్సెల్స్ అనుకున్నాను కానీ 100 పాయింట్